If you've been building apps in Firebase Studio, you're officially on a countdown timer. Google has announced that Firebase Studio is sunsetting on March 22, 2027, and if you don't move your projects before then, your workspaces are gone for good. In this video, I'll quickly explain what's shutting down, what's safe, and what you need to do next. First, let's clear this up. This sunset affects the Firebase Studio development environment, not core Firebase services. Your Firestore databases, authentication, hosting, and other Firebase backends will continue to work even after Studio is gone. What's going away is the browser-based, AI-powered IDE that let you prototype and deploy full-stack apps directly from Firebase Studio. Here's the timeline you need to remember. On March 19, 2026, Google announced the sunset and started rolling out migration tools inside Firebase Studio. On June 22, 2026, you'll no longer be able to create new workspaces, only migrate existing ones. And on March 22, 2027, Firebase Studio shuts down and any remaining workspace data is permanently deleted. So what should you do? Step 1. Open each of your important Firebase Studio projects and click the Move Now button. Use Zip and Download to export your code to your local machine. Step 2. Open that project in a local IDE or in Google Antigravity, and link it to your existing Firebase project using the Firebase CLI. Step 3. Continue development and deploy from there. For AI-assisted prototyping, Google now wants you to use Google AI Studio, and for serious, code-first work, Antigravity is the recommended path. Don't wait until 2027 and risk losing your work. Hit like if this saved you some panic, and subscribe for more Firebase and AI dev updates.